What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today we have an affordable tablet from Cubot Tab 50. Even if it is an affordable tablet, the specification of this tablet is really very good. This one actually belongs to the mid-range segment but comes with a budget price tag. That's why I'm in love with this Cubot Tab 50. Well, as usual, we'll start from unboxing and then we will talk about all the aspect of this tablet. We'll talk about performance, battery life and everything. But before that, one request. If you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. Well, here comes the specification of Cubot Tab 50. If you want to check all the specifications, you may pause the video and go through the specifications. Alright, this is our Cubot Tab 50 tablet. Even if this is an affordable and budget tablet, this Cubot Tab 50 has a very good build quality. It has a two-tone design with a nice blend. The aluminium unibody along with the reinforced metal rail around the frame makes it much more durable and sturdy. I like the button placement of this Cubot Tab 50. While held in portrait mode, the buttons are on the upper left corner, and while held vertically, the buttons are on the upper right side, which makes it easy to reach the buttons. Cubot has also placed the microphone intelligently on the lower right side. There are 4 speakers, 2 on the top and 2 at the bottom. In landscape mode, which becomes 2 on the left and 2 on the right. There is a USB-C port at the bottom along with a SIM tray. Yeah, as this is a LTE tablet, there is a dual slot SIM tray. One slot for SIM and another slot for microSD. That means we can expand storage, and yeah, we can expand storage up to 1 terabyte. It's good to see that Cubot has also added a 3.5mm headphone jack in the bottom left corner. I like the rear camera block. It looks classy and elegant. The main sensor is a 13 megapixel sensor and okay, there is a 5 megapixel selfie sensor in the front. Cubot Tab 50 weighs around 450 grams and this is a very thin tablet. Around 7.7mm thickness is truly very slim. I will give this Cubot Tab 50 10 out of 10 for its superior build quality and 9 out of 10 for its nice outlook and appearance. Yeah, outlook and appearance is subjective, different people like different type of thing, but I personally truly like this subtle yet elegant design. The most important part of a tablet is its display panel. Cubot Tab 50 is equipped with a 10.4-inch FHD Plus IPS LCD panel. Even if this is a LCD panel, this display panel reproduces vivid and vibrant colors. Black goes very dark and white goes super bright. Me and my girlfriend Thea, we both have enjoyed watching movies on this tablet for hours after hours. Because this LCD panel supports 1200 by 2000 resolution and offers sharpness, I would say this Cubot Tab 50 is a very good budget tablet for media consumption. A better display panel always offers eye comfort and improves work efficiency. I have already mentioned at the beginning, yeah, Cubot Tab 50 comes with a quad speaker setup. In landscape mode, there are 2 speakers on the left, 2 are on the right, and the speakers offers high-res sound. Well, let's listen to some music and you decide by yourself how good is the performance of this Cubot Tab 50 quad speaker setup. Personally, I'm impressed. But what about you?
Yeah, she might be pretty, but I promise it gets scary. Once your daddy and she finds out where you live. Creeping in the shadows, eating poisoned apples.
I have said this many times. Personally, I don't like Antutu benchmark cause I cannot trust the score of Antutu benchmark, but I know some of you would like to check the Antutu score. So I ran Antutu benchmark back to back 3 times, and after running Antutu benchmark consecutively 3 times, here comes the score. Check this. Considering that this Cubot Tab 50 has this MediaTek Helio G99, well, Cubot Tab 50 has got a very good score What I like more about this device is it never throttles. The question is, can we play games on this Cubot Tab 50? Yes, we can. MediaTek Helio G99 is a very capable octa-core processor. My girlfriend Thea has played graphics-intensive games for hours after hours. She did not report any lagging or any hint of thermal throttling. Yeah, me and my girlfriend Thea, we both have enjoyed playing games on Cubot Tab 50. It offers a buttery smooth in-game experience, and having an amazing display panel has made the whole gaming session more delightful. So yeah, playing games on this Cubot Tab 50 actually will offer you smooth and enjoyable experience. Cubot Tab 50 has a massive ludicrous 7500 mAh battery pack inside it, and it offers 500 hours of standby time. That's truly unbelievable. Amazing. Cubot claims that we'll be able to extract 24 hours of talk time, calling time, or 11 hours of video playback time. But what about the real performance? Definitely, screen on time varies depending on LTE, Wi-Fi, and screen brightness. The truth is, it took me around almost 8 days to drain the battery of this Cubot Tab 50. I have managed to get 8 hours of video playback and 9 hours of web surfing on Wi-Fi. This is truly a phenomenal battery performance. Cubot Tab 50 is equipped with GPS. It supports GLONASS, Galileo, and Peyto navigation systems and supports AGPS, which means this tablet is also good for navigation and accurate positioning. Android 13. Yes, that's the OS you will get out of the box. And as Cubot always offers stock Android, it is clean and super fast. Also, as far as I know, Cubot will offer at least one major Android update. So considering the price segment, I think this tablet is a future-proof one, and at this price point, this is more than acceptable. Oh yeah, if I have forgotten to mention, then Cubot Tab 50 comes with its own protective case inside the box, so you don't have to spend extra money to buy a protective case or a screen protector, because Cubot Tab 50 not only comes with its own protective case, it also comes with a very nice premium quality screen protector. Okay, after watching through this video, what do you think? Have you made up your mind? Have you decided to go for which budget and affordable tablet? I think this Cubot Tab 50 would be a very good choice for you if you're on the market and looking for an affordable tablet which offers a very good and stable performance. Okay, I have left a link of this Cubot Tab 50 in the description box below. Go ahead, check the product. But before that, one request: if you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button, and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.